Hi, how to rename PDFs based on content. So in this example, I've got 3 PDFs, but it could be any number of PDFs that I want to rename based on what's in the PDF text. So say, for example, if I open this top file here, it's got the invoice and then number name, which I want to extract, then output the whole PDF as a new PDF under the output folder. Now I can do this with PDF Content Split 3, SA, or the plugin version. This is the SA version. Now I'll show you how to set it up. Now first you need to drag and drop the file. Just one file to start with. I'll show you how to do a script to do batch list of files. So once you've dragged and dropped your file in there, if you click V to view it, we should open it up here. You can also click View Page HV, which shows all the positions of each word on the PDF. Now this is in generated order, so it could be slightly different. So normally we'd look for name colon and anything after that as the file name. So I want to extract this here as the file name for a new file. So to do this, I need to take it by position. So I want the vertical position 757. So put that in the box there. If that's grayed out, what you do is to select in the page extract from match to until match using position HV, and then you put in the position horizontal of the first word that you want. So in this case it's 104. Now in the find words, I just want to blank it out, just put nothing in there at all. Normally with normal matching we put in name colon and then take anything after that. In this case I want to use HV positions. Extract until words, just put in a dummy text there because you want to take the whole PDF, because you can actually split a PDF up with this software. So I want to take the whole PDF, so I just put in lots of Z's, something what's not going to match in the file text. Select the output folder, which I've got an output folder here set up. And now I want to take the rest of the line after the match. So I want the full line here, so I'm going to take all that. So anything that was on there, that line, and take that. You can actually take up until, say if you've got other information on the same line, they can extract it until that. So that is pretty much set up. In the report options, these will be defaulted on. I'll just leave it on for a second. Now I'm going to click process. Now I'm going to open the report file, so you can see that it's taken this input file here and it's found the text that I want, and it's output the file to in this file here. So if you look in the output folder, you can see that it's done it correctly to that output file. So that's exactly the name of the file that I want. Now you could actually include the source file name as well, so you could prefix the output file name with, say, the file title, and then say dash, and click process again. You can see now it's the original name of the file and then the information afterwards. So you could do that if you wanted. In this case I'm not going to do. Now I want to remove the reporting because I don't want it to do that for every single file. So I'm going to remove these 2 files here. So that's all set up and ready, and I've tested it and it's working. I'm going to click on File, Save Setup As. I'm going to save it to this file here, which is this file here. Now to do the batch rename, what we're going to do is close that down. I've got a script file. If you look in the help, there's lots of commands to run it on the command line. It's fairly self-explanatory. I will put this script as a zip file to download. You can download it and change it to how you want. But basically it's taking the setup file, the U, and then it's the -F means file name to process, but you can use wildcards. So I've got this folder here with these 3 files in, so I'm going to put that in there, and then star.pdf means all PDFs, and -c means close. And if I output this at end, it'll tell you how many files it's processed. If you want to run it as a batch script from, say, Windows Test Scheduler, they can remove the pause at the end. You'll see why it's got a pause at the end in a second. So that's all set up, ready to go. So I'm going to make sure the output folder is clear so you can see what's going to happen. So I run the rename script by double clicking on it. You can see that it's processed 3 files. It's got 3 PDF files there. So if you look in the output now, you can see those have been renamed to each one. Close those. So this should be invoice 2. So that's the information there that I've extracted. That's the next file. If you need any help, then email us at support@traction-software.co.uk, or you can chat online if you're online. If you go to our website, you can chat online sometimes during the day. Give it a try.